Oh! You guys, there's an eyelash in her.
It hurts.
Okay, wait, let me blow it. Let me blow on it. Let me see.
Should I cry?
Yeah, like you always do. Yeah. Wait, no, keep your eye open. I feel like that's just gross. It's getting closer. It's getting closer to the end. Use your finger and just go like this. Like, pull it out.
I got it.
I'm sad and bored. I'm sad and bored.
Okay, so to start, I'm like awkwardly in this side. They're like, who's that girl?
Hi, sisters.
Hi. I'm all, hi, sisters. So to start, I'm gonna put some of this Morphe eyeshadow primer. Hi, sisters.
Hi, sisters.
Here, why don't you show them what look you're doing?
Okay, so the look we are doing for this video is this look here. We're not gonna do like the butterflies and stuff.
Oh, I thought we were gonna go catch him at the park.
No.
Just kidding.
And we're not also.
I like how I'm like barely in the video. It was like
It's just me sitting here.
yeah, there's like random hands like
trying to like
yeah.
move everything out of the
So we're using this Morphe Eye Slay brush set. So the only thing is I'm struggling to get these things off the brush. So stay tuned. I just pulled it down. That was hard. Okay, I'm gonna do some Flashback Mary all over her face.
I feel like deal or no deal.
Just do it. Yeah, oh yeah.
I'm
Deal or no deal. Boop. It's all $0. You're eliminated.
$0.
Okay, let me see. Flashback Mary. Okay, ooh, it's a lot. It's all up on there. Okay. Let's
These
just
look
hope this
like-
turns out good. No, I'm just kidding. It wasn't even that funny. Okay. Good thing she had on her cute outfit today. It's rare.
Why?
Oh wow, that's pigmented, sister.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I think it's too pigmented.
Wait, let me see.
It's not good, I'll say that much. Wait, let me just like hold it like sideways, yeah, and then have your face in it. Oh wait, let me get
Don't be in it.
like cute.
And I can see the pigmented.
In the back. Is this even recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. I was like, guys, this is really pigmented. This is Playground. Playground is pigmented.
It
Sister.
is pigmented. Yeah.
Okay, so I never said this was gonna be good. I hope they don't click on this video thinking it's like a really good tutorial.
Wait, no, I just wait.
Okay, wait, yeah, stop like, okay. Okay, wait, just close your eyes like a normal person.
It's hard because you're being so funny.
Okay, I'll stop talking.
Yeah, be quiet.
Okay.
This is like
Just don't look in the mirror, it looks bad right now, okay.
This is like a fucking makeup challenge.
I had to fix her makeup and I was gonna grab a makeup wipe from the trash can and just use the little corner of it, but I realized that's probably unsanitary.
It's probably actually. Makeup wipes are so expensive. I was just gonna use it. I already use makeup wipes to fix your makeup. Yeah, please. I'll like probably break out my eyelid. I mean, you already are.
This is so bad, I'm sorry.
Colleen.
You guys, it's so bad. Wait, let me grab a makeup wipe.
Oh my god, I thought you were gonna be good at this.
I thought so too.
What the heck? Let me turn. Wait, how do you turn?
I didn't realize it'd be so pigmented.
How did you turn on the ring light?
You spin it. Okay, wait.
Oh my god, it's so pigmented.
Wait, let me just fix it. Once I makeup wipe part of it, it's just so pigmented. Like, I didn't realize it'd be this pigmented. Okay, look at me.
Ew, please don't do that.
It should be like how not to use the Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. That should be the title, huh?
It's like not even, it's like bumps.
I haven't blended yet! Wait, I haven't blended yet.
Blend! What are you doing?
Wiping off the one under your eye. Okay.
Why is it under my eye?
It was too pigmented. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do Cape Cod and Brother. Wait, okay, don't smile because it makes me laugh. Okay, you're gonna make them laugh. Okay, okay. Hang on, I got some on your eyebrow. Wait, hang on, I got some on your eyebrow.
Oh my god, this video is
wait, hang on, look at me. We're just showing you how not to use the artist. How not to use the Unleash Your Artist.
Unleash Your Inner Artist. Why is it so pigment? Why is it going like that?
It like goes up to your hairline. Okay, wait, let me see. Okay, that looks subpar. Part yet. Don't rush the creative process.
We've already, wait, let me open my eye. Let me open my eye.
Hang on, hang on, hang on. This is a good one. I have momentum right here.
This is eye.
Oh fuck, I just got on your eyebrow. As a professional makeup artist, if you couldn't tell, I will say that like the glittery colors aren't that pigmented. So. Ooh, I'm
Drag
for his throat. Once I get the blue eyeshadow out of her eyebrows, it's over for you makeup artists. There's a new girl in town.
Her name's Colleen.
Jeffree Star is shaking. Okay.
Quaking.
Quaking.
Is he
shaking?
Shake or quake?
You're quaking and shaking.
You're like purple under your eyelid.
I think that's just bags under my eyes from stress. Like dog hairs on it now.
Oh, Colleen.
Okay. How not to use the book. Don't flinch!
You don't start with my eyes open.
Why is, look, it's all greasy already. I know, it's all greasy. Okay. Look at, there's all these like greasy handprints already. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Relax. Act like you're sleeping. Act like mom's talking on the phone in your sleep.
Why is it wet?
Wait, the brush is wet. Why is the brush wet? Ew, I don't know.
Why is it wet? The brush is wet.
You guys, the brush is wet. Why is it wet? Wait, let's continue.
I don't want to continue. Why is it wet?
Oh, it's from the makeup wipe. I forgot I wiped on the makeup wipe. That's why. I'm just kidding. Okay, come on. It's literally from the makeup wipe. I was cleaning it. Okay. Don't, like... Why is it wet? Okay, wait. Now, let me just do a little bit more Flashback Mary and then I'll blend. Are you sure? It actually does look really good. No, it's not like that.
Why is it like...
What? That's what it's supposed to be like. That's how, look, his goes all the way up to his eyebrow.
Oh, okay.
Look, his goes up to his eyebrow. For the record. Thank you. Okay. Let me just do a little Flashback Mary and then we'll call it a day.
Okay.
It's all greasy.
Is it wet?
No.
Why is it all
Okay.
Okay.
I think it's greasy from our sweat when we were grabbing it, honestly.
Ew.
I like... Okay, wait.
What?
In the beginning of this video, you guys are gonna see when we're all confident. I'm like, we're gonna create this look.
Okay, so the look we are doing for this video is this look here.
Like, we're gonna do this, and we had no idea it was gonna turn out as bad as it did. Okay, it didn't turn out that bad. Right? It didn't. It really didn't. It's cute.
Why did you lie?
I know, right? Let me just blend.
Stop.
Let me just blend should be like
lying.
my go-to phrase when life is wrong. Let me just blend and then it'll work out. Like,
you're like, once I blend it, it's over for you, makeup artist.
Yeah. Hang on, I missed a patch. Hang on, it just like, I don't know how it came off. It might have been the makeup, but I think it was because
you can't even see you.
no one used to. I know. I'm like just arms that are like. Okay, wait, look at me.
Okay.
This is so bad. Wait, delusional. Me too. Okay, what you always do.
Okay.
And you were delusional when someone told you that outfit was cute. I'm just kidding. Oh, that's so much better. There we go. Now I just have to do her eyebrows and mascara and we're done. It's not that bad. You know it's bad when someone says it's not that bad.
Can you like go up, like use concealer to like...
Yeah. Emma, let me just wipe it all off. I'm just kidding. Wait, no, I think you should keep it. It's cute. Okay. Let me see.
And then I thought you were good at makeup.
Sometimes. Not when my sister's laughing and moving.
Because the makeup artist is here.
We should have known it wasn't going to go good when you had the eyelash in your eye. It was the universe being like, gosh, and don't move forward. Like, I'm not even in the video.
Just been talking from this. They probably can't hear you.
Okay, wait, let me see. Okay. I'm just going to put a little more concealer on to like... Let me see.
I thought this was going to turn out good.
Me too.
You're just going to bark.
I love the confidence of us in this video.
Jamescharles, if you're listening,
She's like, send up.
I just want to say that playground and your blue colors are a bit too pigmented.
The grease. The grease of
Yeah,
our
why is
fingers.
it greasy?
Why is it greasy? Okay. We're gonna do her mascara and eyebrows and then we'll come back. I know you guys are gonna really miss out on seeing how to do mascara and eyebrows because we're clearly really good at it.
But that's probably gonna get in my eye.
Her eyebrows are gonna be like all harsh and connected. Okay.
So, we like, the look is finished.
I don't even think it's that bad, but... Ooh, art. I went into it really confidently, thinking I could do her makeup really well. And it was so pigmented, which I guess is a good thing, but the eyeshadow is so pigmented that it like got all over her face. So, yeah.
It's like the Titanic.
What?
The Titanic.
It just sunk?
We're like all comfortable, like we're all confident, like this has never been done before.
Yeah.
Like, this is gonna be awesome, and then it just sinks and everyone dies.
Yeah. I'm still alive though. I'm doing good. Wait, let me just...
You're alive because no one can see you. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned a very valuable lesson from this.
That it's really pigmented, and don't let your sister who's overly confident do your eyeshadow right before you go to El Pollo Loco. Looking crazy with your blue eyeshadow.
And have makeup that doesn't match your outfit. I also hope you guys learned how to do this. How not to do this.
We just showed you guys how not to do eyeshadow with the Unleash Your Artist palette. So.
It has fingerprints all over it now.
Yep. Wait, you guys, country music just started playing in our house for no reason.
I'm scared.
Hey, what's up you guys? Yes, it's time for another conspiracy theory video.
Follow my Instagram, which is Bridget.baby.
And follow me on Instagram.
We'll leave the link down in the description of this palette right here. James Charles, if you're watching this, please react to this because then you can tell us what we did wrong. And that
we did nothing wrong.
I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I'm sad and bored.